Doctor presents installation video for the iPhone 4S battery replacement. Warning, the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only. iMobile Doctor and associated sites are not responsible for the use or misuse of the content provided in this video. The use of the content and instructions are at your own risk. iMobile Doctor takes no responsibility in the outcome of the service. Opening the case on your phone will void the warranty.
Okay, let's get started. The first task is to shut down the iPhone. Press the power button for 8 seconds. The shutdown slider will appear. Shut down your iPhone now. The next task is to remove the 2 screws on the bottom of the iPhone. The screw type is pentalobe and will require this type of driver head. This is a difficult tool to find that can be purchased on our website. Remove the screws now. Next, we want to remove the back glass cover. The cover is removed by sliding it forward. Here you can see the lip created as the glass back slides forward. Remove the cover and set it in a safe place. We're now going to remove the 2 screws holding down the battery connector. Note that the screws are different sized. There is also a ground clip connector under one of them. Remove the 2 screws now. Go ahead and remove the ground connector from the far top screw. Make note of its positioning for reassembly later. Once the screws and ground connector are removed, disconnect the battery connector using the plastic case opening tools. Okay, we are now in a position to remove the battery from the battery bay. Using the plastic case opening tools, leverage the battery starting from the side. Warning, make sure not to puncture the battery. Damage to the battery can cause a fire. The final battery removal can be performed with the plastic lifting tab. Remove the battery now and set it aside. Okay, this next task is installing the new battery. As you can see, our battery is already in place here. After the battery is seated properly, pre-position the ground connector prior to snapping down the battery connector. Next, install the 2 screws holding down the battery connector. The short screw needs to go where the ground connector is located at. Insert the 2 screws now. The next step is to complete the reassembly. We hope you enjoyed our presentation of the iPhone 4S battery replacement process. Visit us on the web at www.imobiledoctor.com or iPhonebatteryrepair.com.